What if you could reduce wrinkles, restore your glow, and feel confident in your skin again, without expensive treatments or injections? As we age, our skin loses collagen, moisture, and elasticity. This leads to wrinkles, fine lines, dark spots, and dull skin. And most products, they only fix one problem at a time. Introducing CaviArgan Cream, an all-in-one anti-aging solution designed to transform your skin naturally. Powered by caviar extract, argan oil, and retinol, it works deep within your skin to restore a youthful, radiant glow. This powerful formula supports your skin in 3 key ways. Retinol helps renew skin cells and smooth wrinkles. Caviar extract boosts elasticity and firmness. Argan oil deeply hydrates and nourishes your skin. Together, they help your skin look smoother, firmer, and more radiant over time. With consistent use, CaviArgan can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, improve skin elasticity and firmness, hydrate dry and crepey skin, brighten uneven skin tone, restore a youthful glow. Imagine looking in the mirror and loving what you see, feeling confident, radiant, and comfortable in your own skin again. This isn't just skincare, it's confidence in a jar. Right now, you can get CaviArgan with up to 72% off, but only for a limited time. And the best part? It comes with a risk-free money-back guarantee. Click the link in the description below to get your discount now. Start your journey to smoother, younger-looking skin today.